Hey, what's up, Brew Crew? Opie here. Welcome back to the Brew City Garden. So I'm cruising around the garden today and just refilling my beer traps for the slugs. And I'm looking around and, everything just looks so beautiful. It looks so good. And it really, I think we're kind of at the peak of the season. This is kind of as good as it gets. And things will soon begin to go downhill, and that's just the season, that's just the cycle, and that's fine. So I think it's important to not only come out to the garden and feed the slugs some beer, but pull a chair up in the garden and feed myself a beer too, and just take it in and enjoy it for what it is, because it really is a beautiful miracle. And gardening really is a miracle. It's this symbiotic relationship with nature and myself. And no matter how much I try to nurture these plants, and I plant the seeds and I water them and I feed them and I nurture them, really it's up to nature. And it's up to me to have that faith in nature. So it really is a testament to a higher power. Now I'm sitting here thinking, well, I've got to do an update on the Straw Bale Garden collaboration. I've got to do a garden tour. I got a couple other things that I want to cover, but really it's the garden that tells the story. No matter what comes out of my mouth, no matter what I try to convey to you, nothing matches the beauty and nothing matches the story that the garden's trying to tell. So with that, we're gonna let the garden tell the story. Guys, I want to thank you for stopping by my channel and taking time out of your day to see what I've got going on here at the Brew City Garden. It really gives me motivation, and it just gives me a lot of joy to share what I have going on here and try to teach and show you what all happens here in the garden. So, I'd just like to say thank you to each and every one of you guys. I love you, I really do. But with that, I'm just gonna let the garden tell the story. So yeah, let's do that. Let's let the garden tell the story. All right, guys, we'll see you.